Millions of years ago, in the darkness of space, dust and gas began to swirl an ancient dance of chaos and birth. But stay till the end, because this isn't just a story of how our world was born. A final twist reveals what the future might hold. A young star ignited at the heart of the solar system, its gravity pulling cosmic dust into a spinning disk of promise. Within this disk, matter collided and merged from grains of dust to mountain-sized rocks, forming the seeds of worlds. Over millions of years, these seeds grew larger, smashing together in fiery impacts, each collision shaping a new chapter in the solar system. One of these growing spheres became our Earth, a molten sphere of rock, alive with heat and fury, forging its heart in iron. As Earth took shape, gravity pulled in everything around it, gathering strength as a planet of fire and metal. Bombardments from the young solar system rained down, the moon itself born from a cataclysmic impact that shaped Earth's destiny. Volcanoes raged, and seas of magma churned. As Earth's crust began to form a fragile shell on a world of constant change, steam and gas rose into the sky, forming a thick, alien atmosphere, a veil of clouds and storms that hid a planet in turmoil. Thunderstorms rolled across endless oceans of lava, as Earth cooled and cracked, forging the first continents in a world of blazing fury. Rain fell for centuries, cooling the molten rock, carving rivers and lakes, the first whispers of life's ancient cradle. As the seas spread, oceans became vast mirrors of the sky, reflecting the birth of a world still young and restless. Deep in the ocean's darkness, the seeds of life began simple cells gathering in vents of heat and minerals, ancient whispers of a spark. Just as the planet found its voice, share your thoughts and subscribe. What do you think Earth's future holds? Let us know as we journey deeper. Continents drifted and clashed, mountains rose like scars across the land, each upheaval a testament to Earth's living, breathing soul. Volcanoes belched fire, and new land emerged from the sea. Islands born in chaos, carried by the slow dance of drifting plates. For eons, ice and fire sculpted Earth's face. Glaciers carved valleys, and rivers sang songs of time and change across the land. Life evolved in the ocean's embrace, fragile and determined, shaping coral reefs and forests of kelp and shimmering underwater cathedrals. The continents grew lush and green. Life rose onto the land from ferns to forests, from tiny creatures to giants who roamed in the shadows of mountains. As continents danced across oceans, Earth became a living canvas. Mountains rose, seas deepened, and winds carried seeds of life to every corner. Forests whispered secrets of time. As insects buzzed through green cathedrals and rivers wove silver threads through a world of green and gold. From swamps and forests, the first reptiles emerged, then giants, the dinosaurs, rulers of an Earth that trembled under their colossal footsteps. For millions of years, they reigned supreme, their roars echoing through jungles and plains, a kingdom of scales and teeth. But fate is a silent hunter. A falling star split the sky, fire and dust blanketing the world, a cataclysm that silenced the thunder of giants. In the ruins, small mammals rose, furred survivors that scurried in the shadows, their tiny hearts beating with the promise of a new age. The continents shifted, seas parted and rejoined, forging new paths for life to claim and conquer, reshaping the map of Earth's ancient face. Ice ages swept the world. Glaciers carved valleys and left scars of cold across the land, a frozen canvas waiting for the warmth of dawn. And from the forests and plains, a new being rose, fragile yet fierce, with a mind that reached for the stars and a voice that could shape destiny. Humans learned to harness fire, to tame rivers, and forge tools of stone and metal, the first steps of a species that would shape the future. Empires rose and fell, monuments rose to the sky, and every stone and story became part of Earth's endless memory. Volcanoes still breathe, oceans still roar, the planet never stops. A restless heart beating beneath our feet, whispering of deep time. Beneath mountains and oceans, tectonic plates shift in slow, relentless motion, a dance that has no end and no beginning. In the deepest oceans, life flourishes, unseen creatures of light and darkness, mysteries yet to be revealed. In the quiet deserts, ancient fossils sleep, remnants of worlds that rose and fell long before our ancestors walked. And as Earth turns beneath the stars, every sunrise is a promise, every sunset a reminder that time is the true emperor of this world. Yet Earth is not alone. The moon pulls at the tides, the sun's warmth shapes seasons, a cosmic dance that binds us to the vastness beyond. Asteroids still wander the void, silent harbingers of change, waiting to test the resilience of the world we call home. But Earth endures. Through fire, ice, and stone, it has weathered every storm, a testament to creation's power and nature's eternal strength. And in every grain of sand, every mountain peak, the story of Earth whispers to those who listen, a saga of wonder, survival, and endless change. Subscribe if you seek more stories of creation, destruction, and the unbreakable spirit of Earth itself. Join us on this endless journey. Which chapter of Earth's epic saga speaks to you the most? Comment below. Your voice is part of this living planet's tale. New epic stories every Saturday, from the birth of worlds to the secrets of the past. Join us and keep the flame of curiosity burning.